out dot println C. Think yourself and give answer. It is valid or not valid? Valid? Sure? How many will answer valid? Just raise your hand. What happened? Answers are decreased. You want some more time? Think and give answer. Your answer can be right or wrong. Whatever I'm explaining low, like that you analyze. Then you'll get an answer. Whatever I'm explaining, that way you analyze. You'll get an answer. I given time for thinking, not for discussing with your friend. If you discuss with your friend what has happened, I explained. So don't discuss with your friend. You feel like a written test. You feel like an interview. In interview, in written test, your friend will not be there, no? Like that you feel. Like that you feel. Your answer, if it is wrong also, nothing will happen. What purpose I am asking? To improve your logical thinking. In a classroom, you should not discuss. Outside the class, we discuss. Say, listen. Say, listen. What I'm explaining, word listen. Many people are discussing. Say, in a classroom, you listen. Your friend will listen. Okay? After completion of class, what you understood, what your friend understood, discuss. But in a classroom only, if you discuss, you are not listening, your friend is not listening. Later, what you'll discuss? Okay? Got your point? While asking question also, you think yourself and you answer. You observe majority people discussing only. You're not listening my words. One thing what I understood is you got an interest to learn logic. That's what you are discussing. Okay, that is also very good. You got an interest to learn logical skills. Okay, to improve your logical skills, you got an interest. Very good. Listen. Now give me answer. How many people answer valid? Online students? Very good. Online students also answers increased. Next. How many people answer not valid? Okay. Online students? Okay. See here. Integer C equal to A plus char B. Now, A plus char B. Here, first conversion done or addition done? Conversion. B which type? Double type. B double type. Double converted to which type? Character type. Character type. Okay. Now, A which type? Char type. Character plus character which type? Integer type. Character plus character, integer type. Okay. Integer assigned to which type? That's what valid. What is the output comes? 68. Because we're printing integer format. A nothing but 65. 0.24 truncated. You'll get a 3. 65 plus 3. 68. Okay. Output 68. Note down. Like this only, show your interest up to last class. Okay, not in the middle only, should not drop. Up to last class, you have to show same interest. Every day I'll interact with you. But concepts, logics may be different. But at last, every day logic will be there. Because you are learning Java to get a job in MNC. For that, logic required, programming required. Okay. Programming related theory you have to learn. Programming related theory learn. Unnecessary theory no need to learn. Which is related to program, that theory compulsory you have to learn. Like encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, overloading, overriding. These all you have to learn compulsory. That theory also required. Theoretical approach, logical approach, programmatic approach. 3 approaches you have to learn. Okay. Any concept, theoretically you have to learn. Next, this type of logics you have to learn. Next, program you have to learn. That way. Then only you will get a subject. Okay. See, write this one. Completed. See. Here B which type? B which type? B is a double type. Double converted to which type? Character type. A which type? Character plus character? Integer. Integer assigned to integer. It is valid. So output is 68. 65 plus 3, 68. Is it clear? Any doubt? No. Now I'll give one more. 10th one. 10th one. Long equal to 5. Long equal to 5. Char B equal to capital A. Long equal to 5. Char B equal to capital A. Now, integer C equal to, in the brackets, integer A plus B. System dot out dot println C. Valid? Think yourself and give answer. Valid? Not valid? Think and give answer. How many plans are valid? Okay. Online students. Okay. Next. How many people answer not valid? Online students. Now. Now you observe int C equal to, in the brackets, integer A plus B. A which type? A which type? Long type. Long converted to which type? Integer type. Long converted to integer type. B which type? B which type? Character type. Long integer plus character which type? Integer type. That's what valid. Integer type. Integer assigned to integer. So valid. What is the output? 70 is the output. Write this one. Output 70. Okay. So like this you analyze, you'll understand subject. Any code snippet. Okay. Is it over? So A is a long type. A is a long type, long converted to integer type. Then B is a character type, integer plus character, integer. Integer assigned to integer. That's what valid. Okay. You observe 10 code snippets, but how many comes? So many comes. But any code snippet, now can you give answer or not? Possible. See, yesterday 10 code snippets I taught. Today 10 code snippets I taught. But hundreds of code snippets possible. Any code snippet they can give answer. It is possible. Same style, my way if you learn, any program you can write. Here examples if you remember, only these examples you can write. Next example not possible. But programs if you remember, my programs only can write. My way if you remember, any program you can write. Got it? That is. So what you have to learn? Way or program? Way. You have to learn my way. That way I'll teach. My way I'm going to teach. That way you learn. Any program you can write. Okay? Is it over? Say. Here you observe identifiers, keywords, literals, data types, variables, type conversions, operations on data. These all you studied. In this also you observe identifier 5 rules are there. This all you studied. Keywords, few keywords you have seen. Later of other keywords also comes. Literals also till 2 categories not completed. String literals, object literal. That it comes under further object oriented programming time. Okay. Data types also primitive data types only you have seen. Reference data types not completed. Further it comes. Variables also basics only you studied. Further instance variables, class variables, local variable types of variables are there. That is further it comes. Type conversions also primitive type conversions only you have seen. Again primitive type to reference type to primitive type, reference type to reference type also will be there. Further it comes. Operations on data also addition only you have seen. So many operations are there. 45 plus operations are there. Got it? Now you are learning fundamentals, very basics. Okay. These also not completed all. Okay. Now I'll ask some questions. Give me answer. How many rules are there in identifiers? 5. What is the first rule? It can have alphabets, digits, underscore symbol, dollar symbol. Alphabets also capital letters, small letters. Can we write digit as a first letter? No. Alphabet, underscore, dollar allowed. Length of the identifier, any limitation is there? No limitation. Can we write other than underscore and dollar symbols? No. Can we write spaces? No. These all remember about identifiers. Keywords. How many keywords presently not in use? 2 keywords. What are those? Constant and go to keywords. 2 keywords not in use. Keyword can I write as an identifier? No. Keyword you should not write as an identifier. Okay. Literals. How many categories of literals? 6 categories of literals. What is first one? Integer literals. Second one, floating point literals. Third one, character literals. Fourth one, string literals. Fifth one, Boolean literals. Sixth one, object literals. Okay. Numbers, positive number, negative number, 0 are called integer literals. Point something is there, floating point literal. Character literal must be in single quotes. Character literal must be in single quote. Can we write more than one character? No, one character. That can be digit, that can be special symbol, that can be capital letter, that can be small letter, that can be space also. But one character. Okay. String literal must be in double quotes. Can I write more than one character? Yes. Okay. There numbers also you can write, special symbols also, spaces also you can write. String literals. Boolean literals, how many are there? 2. What are those? True and false. True and false. True, false. These two, are these keywords? No. Can I use as identifier? No. Object literals, how many? 1. That is null. Can I write as a can I write as identifier? No. Is it keyword? No. True, false, null are not keywords. We cannot use as identifier also. Okay. Now, suppose for example, now I'll write like this. Give me answer. Is it string literal or Boolean literal? What is? It is string literal now. Okay. Suppose if I write like this, Boolean literal. Okay. Now if I write like this, integer literal, string literal, string literal. If I write like this, integer literal. If I write like this, character literal. If I write like this, integer literal. If I write like this, string literal. If I write like this, object literal. So this type also they'll make it confused. You should not get confused. Okay. See, if I teach only easy, you'll understand subject very easy. You'll understand, you'll enjoy, but you will not reach your target. That is, remember. Don't see only easy. Okay. Without confusion questions, only written test questions. Confusion questions, only interview questions. Complicated questions, only interview questions. Complicated questions, only written test question. Easy, they won't ask. If they ask, company has to give a job to all people. Then everyone will give answer. If they ask easy question. Definitely complicated questions only they'll ask in interview. Definitely confusion question only they'll ask in interview. On that you have to focus more and more. If hard appears, work hard. If you don't understand, ask me. Once again I'll explain. But you have to learn. Okay. Now you observe. Next, data types. How many categories of data types are there? 2 categories. What are those? Primitive data types, reference data types. How many primitive data types are there? 8. How many subcategories divided? 4. 4 subcategories. What are those? Integers, floating point numbers, characters, Boolean. In integers category, how many data types are there? 4. What are those? Byte, short, int, long. Which is default? Int is a default. Okay. So actually what is default is here. You observe. Suppose if I write like this, byte a equal to 5, I'll write. Okay. Byte b equal to a plus 5, I'll write. Suppose. Now a which type? 5 which type? That is integer type. If I write directly number, the number is integer by default. I didn't specify variable. Directly 5 I written. This a is a byte type. This 5 is a integer type. That type will come. Okay, that is default. How many floating point number category data types are there? 2. What are those? Float and double. Which is default? Double is default. Characters category, how many data types? 1. That is char. Boolean category, how many? 1. That is Boolean. Okay. Total 8 data types. Byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, Boolean. Are these keywords? Are these keywords? Yes. All primitive data types are keywords. I given notes. All primitive data types are keywords. What are the reference data types are there? Arrays, strings, classes, interfaces, dash, etc. So we can create so many. Further we will see later. Those all. Okay. After that, variable declaration, assignment, initialization, you have seen. Type conversion. How many total? How many conversions? 56. How many not possible? 14. Which are not possible? Boolean cannot be converted to other types. Other types cannot be converted to Boolean type. Boolean cannot be converted to other types. Other types cannot be converted to Boolean type. Now, how many must be done by programmer? 23. How many done by system? 19. Okay. Which are 19 I given? Byte to double, short to double, into to double, long to double, float to double, character to integer onward double. These all 19. Whatever is not there in that list, that is 23. Okay. After this, operations I given. Byte, short, int, char, 4. Same, plus, again same 4. Result always integer. If you add long, long. If you add float, float. If you add double, like that, very simple way I explained. If you open books, different types will be there. Different author, different types are written. As it is will not be there in the books, you observe. As it is will not be there. My view that is. I prepared like, okay, easiest way. Like different books, different type appears. Okay, but at last subject is same. No change. Authors different type written, faculties different type they'll teach. At last view different, subject is same. Subject is same. Okay. Different books, different authors, different type they explained about this. That's the reason as a beginner, up to exception handling topic, if you refer any other books, you'll get a confusion. That order will be different, my order will be different. After exception handling, any book you read, you'll understand. That's what, up to exception handling, just you follow my notes only, whatever I'm teaching. If you refer as a beginner, so already learned Java in academics means little bit knowledge will be there means okay. You are very first time you are learning Java. Those people I'm saying. If you learn with the books also, if you compare, you'll get a confusion now. More confusion comes because different author, different views will be there. Just you follow few days. Few days you follow my notes only, my view only. After getting subject, later any book you refer, you'll understand. Present, those who are learning very first time Java, those people don't refer any book. You'll get a confusion. Different other different types will be there. Okay. After exception handling topic, any book you refer, you'll understand. It is possible. After exception handling topic. Okay. Now, these concepts you have seen. Identifiers, keywords, literals, data types, variables, type conversions, operations on data. These all you have seen. Okay. Now, just one more code snippet I'll give. Your answer can be right or wrong. Try to give answer. Okay. See. Integer true equal to integer true equal to 1. Okay. Short false equal to 0. Okay. Float null equal to true plus false. System dot out dot println null. Valid or not valid? Each and every line, each and every character you have to observe. Then you have to give answer. Each and every line, each and every character you have to observe. Then you have to give answer. Confusion started, no? Each and every line, each and every character you have to observe, then you have to give the answer. Now what is happening? Present only two answers, valid, not valid. Okay. After few days, what will happen? I'll give code snippet. What will be the output? You'll ask. Then 20 answers also will give. At the time. Present only two answers are there, valid or not valid. But later, what will be the output comes? Then output, if I ask 20 answers also they'll give. It will be happen. Present, valid or not valid? How many people answer valid? Online students? Okay. Now, how many plans are not valid? Okay. Online. Okay. Those who given not valid. Those who given not valid. Why not? Why it is not valid? On what basis you selected it is not valid? Int plus short is int. Int assigned to float. Is it 19 or 23? 19. Then next. Those who given not valid, why it is not valid? So why you selected not valid? That is also reason also I'm asking. Why you selected not valid? Reason. If you write a floating point literal, F required. F not required here. Next. Why you selected not valid? Okay, one answer, one person give an answer. That answer right or wrong, but you have to give answer. Here see, valid or not valid if I ask, you may guess. Sometimes it will match. Suppose this question if I ask to first class student, valid or not valid, he'll select one answer. What is Java, he doesn't know. What is int, doesn't know. But he'll select one answer. Like that, if you select my time waste, your time waste. Okay? Guessing is no use. Guessing always will match. Suppose even if it is out of 100 questions, 50 questions may match. But if you get 50 also, you will not get a job. 80 to 90 marks required in written test. 80 to 90%. In a BTech, 40% means you will pass. But here no use. 40%, 50%. 80 above you have to get in a software company written test. 80 above. If you get a 0 also, if you get a 79 also, you may get same. Both are same. Both will not get a job in a software companies. So minimum 80% you should get in a software company written test. Like that you have to practice. Answer right or wrong. Give me answer. Why you selected not valid? Here, suppose group discussion round will be there. Okay, group discussion round also will be there. No? Will this check whether you are speaking right or wrong? Whoever will speak more, that person will get a chance to next round. Speaking is important in a group. So whether you are speaking right or wrong is not considered. First, speaking is important in a group. So why you selected not valid? Answer right or wrong, just speak out. Which one? Null. Now, here you studied already Boolean literals. True, false, and null, object literal. These are reserved. But T capital, F capital, N capital, are these reserved? No, we can use. Now, this true, is it reserved? No. This false? Null? No, we can write. As identifier, we can write. This true, we can write as a identifier. This false, we can write as a identifier. True plus false. Here variable these all. Now variable name true false I given. You observe. See in first line, integer true equal to 1. This true as a identifier we can write valid. Short false equal to 0 you can write. Null you can write. Now here operation is here. Float null equal to true plus false. True which type? True which type? Now this true is a variable, not literal. True is which type? A variable. Which type? Integer type. It is integer. False which type? Short type. False is short type. Integer plus short. Integer plus short result is type? Integer type. Okay. Integer assigned to which type? Float type. Integer to float comes under 19 or 23. That's what valid. It is valid. Then what is output? 1.0. 0.0 added. Okay. Write this one. It is valid. Now, true is a int type. False is a short type. True is a int type. False is a short type. Integer plus short, integer. Integer assigned to float, valid, 19. Is it over? Is it completed? Those who didn't complete. Just you observe. In these 7 concepts, these all not completed. Further keywords further comes. 2 categories of literals further comes. String literal, object literal. Reference data types further it comes. Instance variables, class variables, local variables, method parameters, block variables, further it comes. Type conversion, only primitive type you have seen. Reference type to primitive, primitive type to reference, reference to reference, you will see further. Operation that on data you have seen only addition, subtraction, multiplication, like that 45 operators are there. That is also you will see further. Okay. Now, up to here, whatever I taught, from these 7 concepts, if I ask any question, can you give answer or not? Possible, no? Like that. Next. These are all code snippets. Suppose you want to check it on system. Valid or not valid, whether compiling or not compiling, you want to check. Then first of all, you should know at least one welcome program. Then you can write that code, you can check. How to write, how to code, I'll explain. For that, for welcome program purpose, first of all, you should know some Java library. Write it. Java library. Next heading, Java library. Java library. Note on. Java library organized in the form of packages. Java library organized in the form of packages. Java library organized in the form of packages. See, C language is there. C language library organized in the form of header files. C++ library is there. It is also in the form of header files, but Java different. Java library organized in the form of packages. Next, a package is a collection of sub-packages, classes, and interfaces. A package is a collection of sub-packages, classes, and interfaces. A package is a collection of sub-packages, classes, and interfaces. Say, if you open Java library, you will get a package. If you open package, you will get a sub-package. You will get a classes. You will get a interfaces. But what is package, what is sub-package, what is class, what is interface, all you'll understand very depth later. Okay. Now, here, how it is organized, you observe. You observe Java library. If you open, you will get some packages. Here, so many packages are there. Here, Java package, Java X package. Like this, hundreds of packages are there. Okay, like this, many packages are there. Java package, Java X package, ORG package, OMG package, Sun package, SunW package, Oracle package, Launcher package. So many packages are there. If you open package, here sub packages are there. If you open package, sub packages are there. Here lang sub package, IO sub package, util sub package. Like this, so many sub packages are there. So many sub packages are there. These sub packages, if you open, again sub packages are there, as well as classes are there, interfaces are there. Here sub packages are there, classes are there, interfaces are there. Again sub packages, if you open, again sub packages are there, classes are there, interfaces are there. Like this organized. Now first write this one. Write this one. Java library organized like this. Java library organized in the form of packages. So Java library, if you open, you'll get a list of packages. So Java library organized in the form of packages. Like this, if you open package, if you open library, Java package, Java X package, like that, so many packages appears. If you open package, again sub package appears. If you open sub package, again sub package classes interface, again sub package class interface. Like this, many levels organized, many levels. Is it over? say C language header files are there. Okay. Say in C language, welcome program only, you will write printf. You will write printf. This printf available in stdio.h. That is the reason first line you will write like this. In C language. Here, printf, welcome to C, you will write. That line purpose only this line you will write. So printf is a library function. It is available in stdio.h header file. That file, if you want to include, #include stdio.h, you will write. Then those who know C language, give me answer. Like if you write like this, only printf you can access, or all functions of stdio.h you can access. All functions of stdio.h you can access, not only printf. In Java, suppose in Java, if you write import java.lang.star, this meaning all classes and all interfaces. Write it. This statement imports all classes and all interfaces of java.lang package into our Java program. This statement imports all classes and all interfaces of java.lang package into our Java program. So if you write like this, here star indicates all classes and all interfaces. Here star indicates all classes and all interfaces. Here star indicates all classes and all interfaces. This statement imports all classes and all interfaces of java.lang package into our Java program. So if you write like this, all classes and all interfaces imported. But in Java, one more facility is there. Java.lang.system. If you write like this statement imports only system class. This statement imports system class of Java to our Java program. So one particular class also we can import. One particular interface also we can import. Import java.lang.system. This statement imports system class of java.lang package into our Java program. All classes and all interfaces we can import at a time, or one particular class also we can import at a time. Both are possible in Java. One more thing, this is default package, no need to import. Without importing only works. But in C language, default header file not there. Compulsory you have to write every day. Every day stdio.h you have to write, but it is not required in Java. Note. Java.lang package is a default package, and it is implicitly imported in every Java program. Java.lang package is a default package, and it is implicitly imported in every Java program. Java.lang package is a default package, and it is implicitly imported in every Java program. Java.lang package is a default package and it is implicitly imported in every Java program. Say in C language, every program printf required. That purpose, you will write always hash include stdout.h. Compulsory you have to write. In Java also, every program system.out.println required. For that, lang package required, but no need to import. Reason, implicitly imported. So this package only implicitly comes, but remaining package you have to import. Suppose if all are implicitly, is there better no? Programmer no need to learn import statement, import keyword also. If all are imported implicitly, then memory wasted. Suppose all are done by explicitly, then every day you have to write import java.lang.star. Instead of giving burden to programmer, instead of giving burden to system, responsibility is divided. Always implicit, explicit further comes every day, many topics. So if all are default, system point of view, memory wasted. There is no default, every program you have to write this line. That is the reason given like that. Okay. In Java, import keyword, two types you can use. With a star symbol, you can write one particular class also you can write. If you write like this, one particular class only imported. If you write like this, all classes and all interfaces imported. But one package in the entire Java, some thousands of packages are there. But this package is default. Remaining package compulsory or import. It is not completed. Tomorrow I'll continue. Okay. It is not completed. Tomorrow I'll continue. Those who missed previous sessions, these videos you can watch. Those who missed previous sessions, you can watch these videos. Okay. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Online student, just wait.